Hey there, want to launch a successful Shopify dropshipping business? Here's something most people won't tell you. 97.9% of Shopify dropshipping stores fail within their first year. That's not a typo, it's backed by Oberlo's research. Why? Because building a store that actually works isn't just about having a product. It's about capturing attention, building trust, and creating a seamless experience, all within the first 15 seconds a visitor lands on your site. That's why design matters, and that's why working with a proven Shopify expert like Andrew is a game changer. Meet Andrew, a top-tier Shopify e-commerce designer verified by Fiverr Pro. With 400 plus successful Shopify builds under his belt, Andrew doesn't just make stores, he crafts fully automated, high-converting experiences tailored for dropshipping success. He helps clients avoid beginner mistakes, stand out in a crowded market, and get things right from day one. You can find a direct link to his profile in the video description. What sets Andrew apart? Hand-selected by Fiverr Pro's team for elite-level talent, designs tailored for speed, clarity, and mobile-first impact. Streamlined automation so you can focus on growth, not tech headaches. Built-in conversion strategies, not just a pretty store. If you're serious about turning your Shopify dream into reality, don't go it alone. Tap into Andrew's experience and get a store built for success, not guesswork. Click the link in the video description to visit Andrew's Fiverr Pro profile. You'll need a free Fiverr account to connect with pro freelancers. Signing up takes less than a minute. Good luck.